This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming safety and removing power immediately. You want to prevent sparks and short circuits. Once parked and secure, pop the hood and locate the battery. Make sure to identify negative, black, and positive, red terminals. Use gloves and eye protection, then loosen the negative cable first with a 10 mm wrench to break the circuit. After the negative is free, loosen the positive cable. This initial sequence prevents accidental grounding and protects car electronics and you. Once both cables are off, remove the hold-down clamp and lift the battery straight up using a carrier or firm grip, keeping it level to avoid acid spills. You should inspect the tray and cable ends for corrosion. If you see white or green buildup, that's electrolyte residue that can impede conductivity. Clean terminals with a wire brush and a baking soda and water paste to neutralize acid. Rinse and dry thoroughly. Replacing corroded clamps or tray prevents poor connections and premature failure. You place the new battery in the tray with the same orientation as the old one. Once seated, reattach the hold-down clamp so the battery cannot shift. Make sure to connect the positive, red terminal first, then the negative, black terminal to avoid sparks. After tightening to the manufacturer torque, apply dielectric grease or terminal protectant to slow corrosion. Start the car and verify electrical systems and charging voltage. If the engine won't start, check terminal tightness and fuses, loose connections or blown fuses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.